Sillykaddujee.
Little Jamie loves to count from 1 to 3 with the silly farm animals as happy as can be. One pig goes oink oink, rolling in the mud. 2 cows say moo moo, chewing grass like they should. 3 sheep go baa baa, jumping over the fence. 4 horses gallop neigh neigh, the fun is so immense. 5 ducks waddle by, going quack quack quack. 6 chickens peck and cluck, following in a pack. 7 goats climb up high, saying meh meh meh. 8 bunnies hop around in their own special way. 9 cats meow softly in the morning sun. 10 dogs bark happily, now Jamie's counting's done.